gonna take the serpentine belt off.
So this is your belt tensioner to take the tension off the belt.
Yeah. Okay. Alright, I'm gonna get this thing in that square hole here. For some reason. Alright. Okay. I gotta get a pry bar and push that thing in more.
So we'll set up right like that.
Okay. So push on it like that. Then we can slip this belt off. It's got plenty of room to slip it off the compressor. And it goes up around the alternator. And I got some room in here, which is actually kind of nice. And I could probably leave this ratchet right on if I had to change this belt. Go up around the alternator. And then come down with it. And then we could slide it right over here. But, you know, of course the ratchet's right in the way. So, we can slip it out. So it's not too bad of a belt now.
It's not that big of a belt.
No, so
the belt doesn't go very far. Your compressor pulley, and an alternator, like crankshaft right there. Tensioner, that's it.
we got our new belt, we got the gates. We just wanted to match it up, give the stretch test, make sure it's correct. It is, and we're gonna go slip it on. We're gonna try and slide the belt back up in place. We'll go around the alternator first.
Yep.
And it's kind of nice. We can reach up here in a way, get it, some of the stuff. Okay, we're on that. We go with the belt sideways around the compressor. Okay, so we're on the compressor, and we're on the alternator, and then go around the crankshaft. Now we got to pull this down, but we have to get the belt, the tool on the tensioner. So I'm going to try and tuck the belt in like this, get the ratchet on the tensioner, and then maybe do the crankshaft last. See if we can get it that way. So let me get the tool up here on the up in the hole, the square hole. Let me get that up in there. Okay, it's kind of difficult to get this ratchet in here, but I get it in there. And we gotta get this around the crankshaft.
There you go.
Very tight, man. Okay, so can you see up around the alternator? We good?
Yep.
You gotta get the light up in there.
Light up in there.
Okay, that's good.
Yep.
And it looks like it's okay. It's on the compressor. Good.
Yep.
All right, we just gotta pry our ratchet off now.
So that's the routing that it should have up and around the alternator, down, back, over, and it's not a very big belt.
No.
Just a tight area, that's all. That's pretty much it to get the serpentine belt on.